council represents the 13,000 odd.
In the presentation, if you need to ask me any questions, feel free to do so. Okay. We have Kenix's Road, we have FRA Road, they're both colliding on the same area, so it gives us a chance to say.
If for 3 consecutive years there is no case that is significantly. But since we came here in 2011, since
Okay, we do farmers awareness. We go to the farms and we tell them what the project is about, what is it going to help them, how is it going to help them.
Basically, whatever we'll be receiving, or we should be receiving, will not be able to cover.
Yeah, and that is our level, but also a very huge number without any productivity, so zero level. They are abundant, like you said, and besides they don't land back, but then they know it.